So last year I headed up to Wales to compete in the British qualifying round for the GS Trophy 2024, and it went a little better than I expected, and I managed to bag myself a third place and a spot on the team for the international trophy in September this year. It's currently the end of June, and yeah, my gear's arrived and I wanted to make a video unboxing it with you to show you exactly what's inside. Let's have a look. Right, let's open it. This actually arrived 2 days ago, but I've been waiting for an opportunity to film it while opening it, and so I genuinely haven't seen what's in here. I have seen the list of things which is in here, so I've got a good idea, but this is opening it for the first time. This is like the first time I've won anything like this, so this is pretty exciting for me. Alright, so the whole thing is packed in this duffel bag. That's it, that's empty. Don't need that anymore. Make life a ride. BMW Motorrad Trophy 2024 Namibia. Let's go. That's the other side. Pretty cool. It's got my name on it. Let's show you here. It's my name. Exciting stuff. Alright, let's have a look inside. This is quality gear as well. This is nice stuff. Right. Number 21. Let's have a look what's in here. Some information. The countdown is on. Our trucks carrying your bikes are on the way, and before you know it, we'll be here in Namibia, ready for the adventure of a lifetime. Wow, okay, pretty excited. So just some information in there. I'll read that later. Right, the first thing I see, Liat neck brace. I've not worn one of these before while riding a bike, so that'll be a new experience. I've not even any idea how it works, to be honest with you. There you go. Long way around. There you go. Neck brace. Safety first. Cool, neck brace. We've got BMW GS Trophy backpack, everything branded. Everything with my name on it again. Nice. We've got a sleeping bag. Raab Solar Eco 3 sleeping bag. So yeah, as well as riding gear, in here is everything I'm going to need for the trip. So I've got a tent. Look at that. A tent of sorts. What else? Water bottle, all branded. A SIG aluminium water bottle. Very nice. We've got Thermarest roll mat. Keep me comfy. And then the gear. T-shirts. Got a couple of t-shirts there. Right, let's get on brand and stick one of these on. And by magic, wow, like magic, I'm wearing the t-shirt. Pretty nice, good fit. So there's one of those there. I've got a hoodie. Stick that on. Oh, free stuff. Very nice. All branded up. It's far too hot for that right now though. Yeah, some clothing. It gets cold at night in Namibia. What else have we got? We've got a nice jacket here. Like a windbreaker type jacket for the evenings. Lovely. Oh, of course, essential for Africa. We've got the safari hat. Very nice. Like that. Right, what else? Okay, this is sort of one of the main things really is the riding gear. Look at that. So this is the BMW GS Rally GTX riding kit. It's, I think, sort of their top of the range gear. You can see there the jacket. That is nice. That is nice. These things are like the best part of £1,000. Of course, all branded up, competitor, and my actual name on a jacket. How cool is that? That's sick. Okay, put that there. Set of gloves, water, hydro pack and hose, of course a buff. Can't go on an adventure without a buff. And yeah, the bag it all came in. Right, let's put this on and see how it looks. Ooh. Wow, look at that, and the hat made it on as well. Yeah, that is cool. That is a nice riding suit. That is seriously, look at that. My name, competitor. Yeah, wow, well, I mean, what can I say except thank you for BMW for this opportunity. I absolutely cannot wait. I absolutely cannot wait to see you all in Namibia and hopefully document some of this along the way and show you a bit of behind the scenes of what it's like to ride the International GS Trophy. Let's go. I've only gone and made the finals.
In third place,
What just happened? I am shocked, to be honest. I thought I could do okay here, but I had no idea I'd actually make it to the top 3, so I'm absolutely buzzing and it's not really sunk in yet. I can't wait to head to Namibia. Yeah, I left it all out there and somehow it paid off. See you in Namibia.